The power of subscribing and following on social media. In today's digital age, social media platforms have revolutionized the way we connect, share, and engage with content. Whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, each platform offers unique opportunities to stay informed, entertained, and connected with the world around us. Subscribing, following, liking, commenting, and sharing are not just actions. They are powerful tools that enhance your online experience and contribute to the growth of communities and creators you love. Let's explore why you should embrace these activities and how they can positively impact your social media journey. Stay updated and never miss out. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel or follow a page on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you ensure that you are always in the loop with the latest updates, videos, posts, and tweets. Subscribing to your favorite YouTube channels means you'll receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. This way, you can be among the first to watch, learn, and enjoy fresh content. Similarly, following profiles on other platforms keeps you informed about upcoming events, product launches, and important announcements. Support content creators. Content creators pour their hearts and souls into producing quality content that entertains, educates, and inspires. By subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing their work, you show appreciation and support for their efforts. Your engagement helps them grow their audience, gain visibility, and continue creating the content you love. It's a small gesture that can make a significant difference in the creator's journey. Engage and build community. Social media is all about community. When you comment on a YouTube video, Facebook post, Instagram photo, or tweet, you contribute to the conversation and connect with like-minded individuals. Sharing your thoughts, asking questions, and participating in discussions fosters a sense of belonging and camaraderie. By engaging with others, you build relationships, make new friends, and expand your network. Discover and share valuable content. The act of liking and sharing content is powerful. It helps spread valuable information, inspiring stories, and entertaining videos to a wider audience. When you share content, you become a part of the distribution chain, helping others discover content they might not have found otherwise. Your likes and shares amplify the reach of the content, benefiting both the creator and the viewers. Influence and inspire. Your actions on social media can have a ripple effect. When you subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share, you influence others to do the same. Your engagement can inspire friends and family to explore new content, join conversations, and support creators. This collective effort creates a vibrant and dynamic online environment where ideas flow freely, and everyone can contribute to a positive digital landscape. Personal growth and learning. Social media platforms are treasure troves of knowledge and inspiration. By actively engaging with content, you open yourself up to endless learning opportunities. Educational videos on YouTube, insightful articles on Facebook, visual inspiration on Instagram, and real-time news on Twitter can all contribute to your personal and professional growth. Engaging with diverse content broadens your horizons and enhances your understanding of the world. Fun and entertainment. Let's not forget the sheer joy and entertainment that social media offers. From hilarious videos and memes to beautiful photography and inspiring stories, there's something for everyone. Subscribing to channels, following pages, and engaging with posts ensure that your feed is filled with content that brings you joy and laughter. It's a great way to unwind, relax, and have fun. In conclusion, subscribing on YouTube and following on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are more than just clicks and taps. They are meaningful actions that enhance your online experience, support creators, build communities, and spread valuable content. By liking, commenting, and sharing, you contribute to a vibrant and positive digital ecosystem. So, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, follow your favorite profiles, engage with the content, and share the joy with others. Your small actions can make a big difference in the world of social media.